Do you ever look at your Acorns account and wish it was growing, well, like an oak tree? You know, from a tiny acorn into a mighty, sprawling symbol of financial strength? If you're anything like me, you've probably felt that little pang of impatience, wondering if there's a secret shortcut to making those small investments blossom into something substantial. Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're not just talking about growing your Acorns account, we're talking about supercharging it, turning those consistent contributions into a veritable forest of wealth. For those of you just joining the Acorns journey, or perhaps needing a quick refresher, Acorns is an investment app designed to make investing accessible to everyone. It does this primarily through roundups, where your spare change from everyday purchases is rounded up and invested. But it's so much more than just pocket change. Acorns also allows for recurring investments, found money, and even offers various portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. It's a fantastic tool for getting started, for automating your savings, and for building good financial habits without even thinking about it. The beauty of Acorns lies in its simplicity and its commitment to long-term growth through dollar-cost averaging. By investing small amounts consistently, you smooth out the ups and downs of the market, buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. This strategy, while seemingly slow and steady, is one of the most powerful forces in investing. And when combined with the magic of compound interest, where your earnings start earning their own earnings, that's when your Acorns account truly begins to flourish. It's like planting a seed, then that seed growing a tree, and that tree dropping more seeds, and so on. Each new generation of seeds comes from the growth of the previous generation. But let's be honest, we all want to see that growth accelerate. We want to see those numbers tick up faster, to feel the momentum building. And while there's no get-rich-quick scheme that's sustainable or safe, there are definitely strategies you can employ to significantly boost your Acorns performance. So, let's dive into the actionable steps, the tips, and the sometimes overlooked features that can help you transform your financial sapling into a financial giant. We're going to break this down into several key areas, from optimizing your contributions to leveraging the power of diversification and even understanding when it might be time to adjust your strategy. Get ready to cultivate some serious wealth. Fueling the growth, maximizing your contributions. The most straightforward way to grow your Acorns account faster is to simply put more money into it. While roundups are a fantastic starting point, they are, by their nature, small. To truly accelerate your growth, you need to go beyond spare change. First, increase your recurring investments. Acorns allows you to set up daily, weekly, or monthly automatic contributions. If you're currently investing $5 a week, consider bumping it up to $10 or even $20. If your budget allows for it, a significant monthly contribution can make a huge difference over time. Think about it, an extra $50 a month is $600 a year. Over 10 years, that's an additional $6,000 invested, not even counting the power of compound returns. Even small, incremental increases can add up to substantial wealth over time. This is where disciplined saving truly shines. Next, optimize your roundups. While they're small individually, they accumulate. Make sure your roundups are turned on for all your linked cards. The more cards you link and use, the more opportunities you create for those spare change investments. Some people even strategically use their linked cards for smaller purchases to generate more roundups. While that might be a bit obsessive for some, it highlights the potential. Also, remember that Acorns allows you to multiply your roundups. You can choose to multiply them by 2x, 3x, or even 10x. This is a game changer. Imagine every 50 cents roundup turning into $5. That's a significant boost to your regular contributions without feeling like you're consciously investing more. This simple setting change can dramatically increase your investment frequency and amount. Finally, consider one-time contributions. Did you get a bonus at work? A tax refund? A gift? Instead of spending it all, consider putting a portion directly into your Acorns account. These lump sums can give your portfolio a powerful jumpstart, taking advantage of current market conditions and allowing compound interest to work its magic on a larger principal amount from day one. Think of it as giving your tree a big drink of water and some extra fertilizer right when it needs it most. Every extra dollar you contribute is a dollar that can start earning for you immediately. Strategic portfolio choices, where your money lies. Acorns offers several pre-built portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, each with a different allocation of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Your portfolio choice is crucial because it dictates your potential for growth versus your risk exposure. For most long-term investors, especially younger ones, a more aggressive portfolio tends to yield higher returns over time. While aggressive portfolios are subject to more volatility in the short term, they have historically outperformed conservative portfolios over decades. If you have a long investment horizon, i.e., you don't need the money for 5-10 plus years, don't be afraid to choose a more aggressive option. Acorns typically recommends a portfolio based on your age, income, and financial goals, but it's essential to understand why they recommend it and if it truly aligns with your long-term objectives. If you're in your 20s or 30s, you have decades for your investments to recover from market downturns and benefit from long-term market growth. Don't be too conservative too early. However, it's also important to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. While Acorns automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your chosen allocation, it's still wise to periodically review your risk tolerance. Has your financial situation changed? Are your goals still the same? As you get closer to needing your invested money, you might consider gradually shifting towards a more conservative portfolio to protect your gains. This isn't about chasing market trends, it's about aligning your investment strategy with your evolving life circumstances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.